Heard it.
Now he's inserting this sheet metal to the back.
Now this metal is not stronger than that metal.
No, probably not. Now he's banging it with stronger metal.
All about stronger metals in this field.
He's making a box to extend the ductwork into the coil. It can be a little tricky. Notice, here he goes. He's got his power screwdriver.
Good enough.
Now watch, stronger than metal into metal. With a little hammer.
Stronger than metal. Very important.
Well, it's molecular motion.
It is.
I look at it from a different approach.
Yes, you do.
There's John. Yep, there goes John.